So everything is out of the vanity now. It took me a lot of time. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that my vanity is finally complete. Which is sneakers. I love peanutty chocolate. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. This is going to be a random vlog, so I hope you enjoy. And if you are someone who have come onto my channel for the first time, then hi, I'm Neha. I make beauty and lifestyle content here on YouTube. So please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button and join the squad. And now let's get started with the video. So if you don't know already, I got my custom vanity built last year. I think in September or in October I got it built. So after that I never got it painted because of some reasons that I'm gonna tell you later on. I'm gonna show you right now how it looks. So this is how the vanity looks like. This is the green MDF board. Let me remove some stuff. Actually, the minute I got it made, I started storing my makeup in here. So here you can see this is how it looks like from inside. It's a normal wooden board, and now I have to take everything out because tomorrow I am getting it painted.
One eternity later.
So everything is out of the vanity now. It took me a lot of time and it was a task.
Hours later.
Are you ready to see the final reveal? Ta-da! Oh my goodness, I can't believe that my vanity is finally complete. This is my dream vanity. I remember the time when I used to draw this vanity on a piece of paper. I have erased it multiple times, redrawn it, perfected the design multiple times, and now that piece of furniture has finally come to life. It's like a 360 moment for me. It's like a whole circle where whatever you want comes to life, comes to you at the right time.
Later that night.
So my dinner is here. I have got some South Indian from Zomato because I was really craving it. So yeah, it's looking delicious already. Let's dig right into it.
2 days later.
Don't mind my halat. I'm looking very sweaty because my fan is off. And yeah, things you need to do for the tube. I was just thinking of organizing my makeup into my new vanity, which is right behind me. But I realized that I do not have enough drawer mats. So these are the anti-slip mats that I like to use onto my drawers. और ये सिर्फ 4 ड्रॉर्स के लिए ही है और in total I have 12 drawers, so I definitely need to get more. So I'm thinking of heading out and getting these mats because I cannot do anything without it.
The next day.
So I just realized that I totally forgot to show you what all I picked up from the mall. So जो मैं लेने गई थी वो तो मुझे मिला नहीं. I think एक दो दिन में स्टॉक में आ जाएगा. Then I picked up these organisers. ये pack of 10 है और ऐसे मैंने 2 लिए हैं. So it has organisers of different sizes. First we have a small rectangular size, large rectangular size, square one and circular one, so 2 of each size. Then we have this large rectangular size. Lastly we have this one. इसका और इससे पहले वाले का साइज सेम है, डिफरेंस है तो सिर्फ हाइट का. I picked these organisers because I will be needing them while organising my makeup. I do own more organisers, so I think in total we have enough organisers now. Next I got these incense sticks which is in the rose variant, and I love the fact that it's quite a lot of incense sticks packed in one bundle, so I will not be running out of them very quickly. Then we have few munchies that were totally skippable. Recently I have been loving these biscuits from Britannia, a pack of wafer and fruit cake from Britannia as well. Then I have got my favorite chocolate, which is Snickers. I love peanutty chocolate. And lastly I have this mint from Center Fresh. That's all, folks. Oh, I forgot these nachos from Cornitos. So yeah, that's all. That's all in this haul.